Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on device location and setting high accuracy. This gives better GPS fixes. Once done, open the Map app and allow permission prompts. Otherwise, the app cannot read your position. Next, select the tracking method. Live share for continuous updates, periodic logging for battery savings, or breadcrumb logging to record a route. You do this now so later steps use concrete data. Make sure to confirm network access and battery level before moving forward. Now configure the tracking specifics so you capture the right data. You set an update interval, 5 seconds for near real time, 60 seconds to save battery, and adjust accuracy thresholds so the app ignores noisy fixes. Enable background location if you need tracking while the app is closed, and select map layers like satellite or traffic to interpret movement. Also define data retention and privacy. Decide who sees your coordinates and for how long, because these settings affect performance and compliance. You finish by starting the tracking session and watching the live path for obvious gaps or jumps. If everything looks correct, stop and save the route. Once saved, export or share the file as GPX, KML, or CSV depending on your need. If tracking fails, check common problems. Weak GPS signal, move to open sky, revoked permissions, re-grant them. Battery saver, disable it. Poor network, switch to offline logging until restored. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.